In Japan, even a simple vending machine can hide something terrifying, especially at night. People say if you buy a drink past midnight from an old machine, sometimes you'll hear coins dropping inside even when no one is around. And if you look closely at the glass, you might see the reflection of a small child standing behind you. Some claim when they turned around, the child wasn't there, just the cold night air. But others say the child crawled out from the slot where the drinks come out, pale, with empty eyes, asking, "Can you play with me?" Those who answer disappear without a trace. So tell me, if a vending machine spoke to you in the middle of the night, would you dare to answer?